Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today we're going to talk about an item that is really flavorful, but also really expensive. So I want you to understand how to use it, when to use it. Unless you have an unlimited budget, then you can use it however you want. But if you're like most of us, you're on budgets, I want you to know that you can use this sparingly, but get so much flavor out of it. And that is saffron. So if you've never used saffron before, is actually the thistle of the flower. And this actually talks about, automatically, if you know anything about flowers, it's the little part inside of the flower that we pull out. And we pull this out by hand to this day. That's essentially why it's so expensive. That's it. It is a hand pulled herb or spice that we're using. And that's why it's so expensive. So this amount here, I can't even imagine how long it takes to get this amount. And that's why it's so expensive. But when you smell it, when you taste it, it's so fragrant. It's just one of those things where it can really change a dish. Now, one, it changes a dish by color, but two, it changes it by flavor. And so one of the easiest things to do, I have two big containers here. I travel a lot, so I can get it very easily overseas. But when you are using it, you want to make sure that, first of all, when you're storing it, you want to always check it and make sure that it's not drying out. You don't want to spend the money on something like saffron and then forget about it in your cabinet like you do your bay leaves. I know you do your bay leaves that way. And then all of a sudden you go to your saffron and now it's completely dried out. It has no color to it. It has no fragrance to it. And now it has no flavor to give you. So I can smell this saffron from the bag before I even open it. That's how fragrant it is. But I also use it a lot. Now, a couple ways you can use your saffron. If you are lucky enough to get a big container for a good price, or you have no budgets and you just get it whenever, you can use saffron in your teas, like adding it to your tea in the morning. You can use saffron in your coffee. It's really great for just like boosting that flavor I said and also changing that color. But also I like using it in my rice. I like using it in different soups, and I like using it also in different vinaigrettes. So it's like one of those flavor enhancers that once you taste it, it's very memorable. But I think sometimes because we think of it as such an expensive luxury item that you don't think like, oh, I put in my vinaigrette and then I can have a little bit of luxury every single time I have a salad. So I love doing that kind of thing because that way I kind of have it all the time. And I love putting it in soups because of the fact that not only does it change it to that color, it also gives me a little bit of indulgence as well. So that's what I like to use it. I would say if you never used it before, try it out. And I think the easiest way to try it out would actually be rice. And I think that just because you see how much it changes color, you see it, but also you get to taste it. And you got that nice little juxtaposition of that fragrant and that really nice, I don't know how to say it. It's like other than the fragrance that you get, like that flavor is really nice for me. If you look up something called jewel rice, maybe I'll make it on one of the episodes, but I used to make jewel rice a lot when I would do a Mediterranean or Middle Eastern day when I worked on yachts. And it's just so beautiful to look at, but the flavors are great. So jewel rice is a good one to actually do. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to talk about one of the most expensive spices in the world. And yeah, if you've never had it before, give it a try and let me know what you think. All right, I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.